was because they are trying to create a buzz for the movie. Who doesn't want his or her projects, you know, to break even? So now let's now come back to the old thing. When we were going to end that conversation, we ended it with, okay, Eniola was going to, you know, sit and brainstorm with our team. Then let's find a constructive way of controlling the damage out there in a way that is not going to hit up on any one of us. That was the agreement before we all left the phone. And I remembered after Atakurolori three-way call, Femi, I personally called you again. That Femi, you're my friend, okay? When I was making the video, your issue was not, I don't have anything against you. It was not all about you. It was all about the fact that they gave the whatever to a cross Guinea while it was being labeled a different thing. That it was not anything, you know. I apologized again when I called you again, Femi. I said, I'm sorry you felt the way you feel. Which is, in all honesty, Bimosherini. You understand? So please. Now, we've not, before then, before the post I saw this evening, myself and Eniola, we have spoken twice based on this thing again. You came to me that I should go ahead and make a video for a damage control. You called me. So that was why I feel like your wife is misinformed, or she's when she was like, I called you, I was begging you, I was apologizing. Didn't you tell her how the whole thing went? Didn't you tell her you were the one who called me? Didn't you tell her you were the one who asked me that I need to do another video for a damage control because people are coming on you? Because you are now making it look like I came publicly to mess you up, blah 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 blah, and then I'm coming privately. So I'm coming privately to beg you apologize. Who told you I'm apologizing? Who told? I've never apologized about the fact that I'm not pleased with anybody picking a cross-dresser for a best female dressed. Me o apologetic fun yen o. E ma get it wrong o. Moko wa apologetic but you are feeling the way you are feeling because none of us expected the thing was going to escalate as much as it did. And I'm sorry you felt that way. Because it wasn't my intention in any form. But now seeing your wife's post, calling me an hypocrite, calling me an enemy in disguise. Aladuke, oju enu elo, my darling. Ìyàwó mi, oju enu elo. Calling me an me oni pe ko ma defend oko e. Like I said, if you don't defend him, who will? But you trying to insult me in that process, oju enu elo. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé, kí n sọ ní Yoruba, kó lè jọ yéra wa. Oju enu elo. Now let me ask you, tí ọkọ ẹ bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní corporate, a bit lawyer lọkọ ẹ. Toko, if your husband should have an issue at his workplace, it is rightful of him to get home and update you. Would you have called his colleague and be insulting them? I'm sure you wouldn't do that. I never insulted you guys. So you coming and now posting, making a post. There is limitation to every human's endurance. Okay? I don't chase clout. I don't come out to talk what is not. I don't come out to find Instagram whatever. You understand? I don't. If I'm coming out to talk about anything or I'm coming out of making a video, I'm coming out constructively. Am I get it wrong? Now you, Aladuke, now posted, calling me an hypocrite, calling me an enemy in disguise, calling me kinikon, calling me names. Are you okay? Show badun. My darling, show wa okay. Ni so síbẹ̀ ká kú bẹ́ o. Ọ̀wọ̀ díẹ̀ òun lára ń fẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa pọ́nra wa lé. I don't chase clout, I repeat. Now, let me now drop that one aside. Femi, you yourself, you now came under my post. I'm disappointed at you. So yeah, I'm so disappointed at you. You are one of the people in the industry that I respect so much that I will go out of my way 1,001 million times for. You are one of the people that can call me at any F time for anything, and I will definitely, you know, make myself available for whatever reasons you must have called me for. Me, I tell okay, Shonija, my dear, because in your post you said, if your progress is shaky, mo fẹ́ wá ní o, mo fẹ́ kà torí o gba kíkà. O gba kíkà kí má bá ṣe mistake nínú èsì tí mo máa fún ẹ. You said, I now see that you truly want to come for me. You have actually done it with the wrongest person, DAYO. If my success is your problem, you can never have peace of mind. You can go address here, my darling. Your success is not my problem. As a matter of fact, ever since Totin Shenkore nílé ayé tatin relates, I have always celebrated you. I have always supported you. I have always prayed for you, and I've always been proud of you. You understand? Because ní àdúgbò ibi tá wà, àwa ṣe ń jí ni. And it's a thing of joy that my colleagues are doing wonderfully well and they are making statements out there. So my dear, èmi máa ní peace of mind. Surely peace of mind tí mo tún máa ní, ó máa gbé pillow dání. Ó ní AC nínú. Ìyẹn ló túmọ̀ sí pé your success has never been, is not, and will never be my problem. You understand? Kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́. Your success has never been, it is not, and will never be a problem to me. Femi ADEBAYO Ishola. So for that reason, èmi máa ní rest of mind. Ṣọ́rọ̀ mi yé, jẹ́ ká fi síbẹ̀. Because I have just started. Of course, you have just started. Ọlọ́run ní dáwọ́ rẹ dúró, inshallah. It's advisable you channel your energy to your career. Thanks for the advice. I will channel so much energy to my career. Ṣọ́rọ̀ mi yé. And I tell you, ikú ò ní pa ẹ́, àrùn ò ní ṣe ẹ́, ò ní dàwátì nígbà tí ire mi náà bá máa ṣojú ẹ̀. Ṣàmì kò gbé tọ́ mi. Femi Adebayo, I am disappointed at you. Gbogbo ẹnu ni mo fi sọ. Because nígbà míì, àgbà ò kàn gbọ́ orí. Gbogbo ẹnu ni mo fi sọ. I am disappointed that for you to even think your success can be a problem to me. For you to even have that ideology. Ó sad gan. In fact, ó show bí wọ́n gan ṣe ń ronú. Ó show bó ṣe ń ronú. Ó ń ronú bí ẹyẹ. Ó ń ronú bí pẹ́pẹ́yẹ. Ó ń ronú bí ẹni tí ò lálámọ̀ràn. Ó ń ronú bí ẹni tí ò rẹni fọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́? Now you now ended up with, and not to be too busy bringing you down, my darling. Jọ̀ọ́ torí t'Ọlọ́run, kí ni bring down wọ́n fẹ́ dà fún mi o? Bringing you down tó o lérò àwọn èrò tó ń rò yẹn, àwọn èrò bíi pé your success is my problem. Imagine kí n tẹ̀ sọ tẹ́lómi títara mi bíi pé your success is my problem. Jọ̀ọ́ nítorí t'Ọlọ́run, níbo lo ti ń gbé àwọn èrò yẹn wá? Èmi ò kì í ṣe kẹ́ni má ní ẹ̀dá o. Èmi ò kì í ṣe kẹ́ni má ní ẹ̀dá. As a matter of fact, ọlá yìí pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe dáadáa, including Eniola tó gbé project tó gbé sílẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe dáadáa, ọlá yìí pé dáadáa tẹ́ ń ṣe, ẹ fi ń portray image wa. Táwọn èèyàn ti rí bí ẹni pé kò sí nǹkan tó dáa tó lè tara wa jáde. Ọlá yìí pé ẹ̀yin kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ẹ̀ ń gbéra, ẹ̀ ń ṣe wá lẹ́ṣọ̀ọ́ níta gbangba.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí DAYO AMUSA tí ó sọ sí Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣẹ̀ wò tán yìí. Kí ni ẹ lérò wípé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan yìí tí fi DAYO AMUSA tí ó fi sọ̀rọ̀ tó báyìí? Kí ni ohun tí ẹ sì lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí DAYO AMUSA sọ, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa?
màá wá ní mo fẹ́ bínú ẹ kí ni bíbínú ẹ fún mi kí ló fẹ́ dà ṣó fẹ́